Guys, in today's video we are going to collect Hamster Kombat Combo card. Let's get started. First of all, go to legal and collect a license Asia. After that, go back and PR and team, and here we go. We have to select. Here we are searching for suspicious blocking accounts. If it is locked, you can unlock it by here it is. Now we are
leveling up
going
the
to find
employees.
blocking suspicious accounts. Anti-shield blocking suspicious account. That's it. It's a second. Now we are going to find third. Where it is. And the third one is derivatives. Let's find that. Nothing looking here. Go back and markets and find here, and here is derivatives. Go ahead and take a prize of 5 million. And that's it. I have claimed today combo card. Please subscribe to our channel for the next updates.